is a pneumatic HVR 200 from week 27 2006. This is a skip find. I actually found this before the skip find 160, which, if you're watching this at Christmas on Tuesday, hello, yeah, yesterday's one, I did find this first, but I needed yesterday's one prior to this, and I do not think this one is going to be quite such an easy ride. So let's have a look at another skip find Hnery, see what's very much wrong with him, and see if we can do anything about it. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner and battered Hnery chums. How are you today? It was another house that I've been walking backwards and forwards past directly on my way into town for a while now, and yeah, they've been having an extensive amount of work doing, and this was the game just sat on top of the skip on their driveway. So he now sits here, no tools, nothing. The skip was really full of soil and stuff. Couldn't be bothered to look, even if I did. You know, we saw the state of the hose in the 160 yesterday. Whatever hose this used to have attached to it isn't going to be any better than that. So, yeah, he is completely battered. You know, it's the standard underneath side of it. Yeah, all the sift in the world isn't going to clean up this. It will clean it up a fair bit, but yeah, he has been far more used than the 160 did. Let's check the cable. I haven't actually unwound this yet. See if it's got massive missing or something. No, that seems okay. Onto the filthy bit now. Yeah, one really filthy filter and full of bubbles. The last thing it picked up before the incident happened. So we're going to give this a clean up first, just so I can, you know, turn this upside down to have a look at the wheels without regretting it instantly. There we go, much cleaner. It'll do for now. Anyway, we have a long way to go. So, nice and used underneath. We are missing a wheel cap. The front wheels spin and turn. It'll clean up all right. Then I happened to pick this up. And it's going to be quite hard to pick it up on camera, but there is a deep, big clunking noise coming from inside of here. So we're not going to fire this up immediately. We're going to have him straight apart to see what the heck has gone wrong. So, top off, lovely. Cord wheel out. Oh, we have all of our fingers. That's good. Ooh, yeah. He's still wet as well. This was brought in when it was raining. In fact, yeah, it's been stood up down the side. And this would be where the water should be sat. We should be dry from the... Oh, there it is. I moved it and heard it do that. How bad do we think it's going to be? I mean, we've seen quite bad, oh, not again. Seen quite bad on this channel. Oh, really? It's never a great sign when they're stuck together with stiction. I'll just come out, shouldn't be doing this with the crosshead screw or your drill. Ah, there we go. I haven't taken the wiring yet, yeah, that's the PCB there. Who knows if that works? We could be without a PCB, but we don't need to care about much. We just need to care about this, although it all seems okay. Oh no, all is very much not okay. It's inside as well, but even if it was that simple, that armature is, you know, that armature isn't very nice at all. I don't think it would run well anyway, regardless of if we worked out whatever the heck had happened in there out, which I might do. We might take it apart in a minute, but there is a dead lamb motor from 2006. We've got a bit of a blank canvas now. We have a Hnery that is now motorless and needs to be filled. So I'm going to call it here. We're going to have a nice short video today because I'm now at the stage where I may as well wash it all up. I don't want to start bodging around with motors because of course that's what we're going to do. And I think I have the perfect candidate. But it's so filthy, it's going to be dumb. I'm going to make such a mess doing it. We may as well wait, clean it up, and you will see it on Thursday if you're watching this at Christmas time. So, no more from Hnery. Let's dissect this motor, which is going to be quite tough because we've got to break this seal here around the fan case. There is our fan case top off. Now, whatever is wrong in this bit here. This bit seems fine. So, we need to crack off this nut. Then we'll get our 13mm, put our hands under the cloth because you can really cut yourself badly, and crack off the fan nut. I did do that the wrong way to start with. Equally, it's a fantastic way of getting all the rubbish out of the fan. So, potentially one alright fan. Then there is a spacer washer. Now we get to take this off. We first have to bend out these tabs here. They're only crimped in. You smash them back down afterwards. There we go. One of those. That one's already off. Then you're already off. There you go. There's only like 2 or 3 of these done anyway. Oh, this one's the worst. You need to care. That should be enough. And then tappy, tappy, tappy all the way round. Oh, okay, so this bit floats on here, but I mean, it looks like it's almost looks like it's missing some screws. Hang on, because I can see 4, like you can see the locating pegs that I'm trying to. Yeah, look, there they are. Look. There's the 4 locating lugs. But yes, look. Oh, there's 2 rivets. Right, okay, they're rivets. So what's happened is, these have shaken out thanks to the sheer abuse that this machine has taken, but it might be okay. It might be savable. Because I'm looking at this comm now, it's more in the light, and I know how clean I got the comm on that Vax New Wave. So I am now wondering, especially since I am here And all I've got to do now is take off the carbon brushes, which, you know, I guess we should do, because isn't this, it's a lamb from 2006, isn't this the era where they have carbon brush issues? Oh, this one's not stuck. Oh, come on, get off. Uh-oh, get off, but don't break. Oh, well, I'll take it off in a minute. Yeah, I don't know. I reckon that's not terrible, is it? I think we may not need to do a motor bodge. I think I can... Oh, ooh, smoking gun. Look at that, look. Never trust a pneumatic carbon brush. It's worn. That is the telltale sign of a carbon brush that has worn itself completely out. Oh, so can I get a pneumatic carbon brush? Can we clean this motor up? I've just tweaked it and look, it's not happy, but there is still some carbon brush left. I might not even have to replace the carbon brush. I am going to call it here for this video. We are certainly at a point where I want to start being careful, because, you know, we've only got to take this spade terminal from the other brush off. Then, you see, underneath the spade, the carbon brushes are some more nuts. And I think, although they're quite difficult, find the size. I think it's this, but I always struggle with this. You've just got to do your best. I mean, this is a... Oh, I'm not being very helpful, am I? This is a 6mm, and it's just about does the job badly. Wondering if it might be Imperial. Whew. That was stubborn. Still is big. Get it. Coming off one way. Ah, there we go. We'll come this way off first. Bearing seems okay. Ah, why are you stuck in there? Oh, goodness. Uh-oh. Yeah, this may not be quite such fun. We're not even connected to anything. Off. That's out. You're off. Oh, this top bearing isn't coming though, but again, it feels fine. I think I'm going to just leave that be. Oh, I hope that's not damaged though. On those two coil wires, I guess we're about to find out, because yeah, we can't do anything else on this video. Join me next time when we have it fixed. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed, especially this cliffhanger. And I, and what remains of this Hnery, will see you soon. Bye bye.